Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are the Travel Maker Queens. This is Nepal. I am Gabi, and we are currently in a resort in an island in Thailand. So we've been traveling in Southeast Asia for 4 months already, and today we wanted to make a video about a sensitive subject that we received a lot of questions about and address those questions. So yes, it is about the coronavirus that spread in China, and it's so close to us here in Southeast Asia. So let's get into this, show you our life here and our thoughts. This is a beautiful morning here in Koh Tao. So the coronavirus outbreak in China on December, but we only started to be really aware of the subject about a month ago, while staying in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. This is where we started to notice people walking around with masks. It freaked us out a bit, so the first thing we did is obviously get ourselves those masks as well. But is it actually necessary? Should you cancel your travel plans to Southeast Asia destinations? And if you're already traveling, should you panic and escape back to your country? And wait, is it the apocalypse? Well, we are not healthcare specialists, but we can tell you how it is from our perspective, being here and traveling full-time.
After the first panic in Cambodia, we continued to the islands of Thailand. We took a flight to Phuket. We needed to buy a few things we couldn't get our hands on in Cambodia, so still, with our masks on, we went to the Central Mall in Phuket. At the mall entrance, there was a health check. People who measured our temperature, which was also kind of disturbing, but that was pretty much the end of it. After that, we continued to Koh Phi Phi, Koh Lanta, Koh Yau Noi, Koh Phangan, Koh Samui, and Koh Tao. And other than scary headlines in news websites and a lot of worried family members and friends, we didn't feel the virus effect anymore. The atmosphere in the islands is very relaxed. You don't feel any panic in the streets, and there are people from all over the world traveling here. Those were some short clips from the islands, by the way. We'll update the full travel vlogs as soon as possible.
So what next? Well, we are wearing masks around big crowds, we are washing our hands and emptying out alcohol gel bottles, we are being careful and checking all the new developments, updates and travel restrictions. We are also trying to take things into perspective and not panic, just adjust ourselves to all the changes. Let's be realistic and optimistic.
So this was the short video from us to you, and we hope that we were able to address some of those questions for you guys. Again, we are not virus specialists, we are not healthcare, and everyone should make their decision they are comfortable with. Also, obviously the situation can change any minute now.
For better or for worse.
Yeah, but just to let you know, we're here, we're queer, and we're still traveling safely and happily. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please press subscribe for our channel, for our travel content, and press the bell to know when we are serving new things for you. And have a great corona-free day.